Hello students, hope all is well from your sides. After completion of our chapter matrices, let us start our chapter determinants. Under this, first we will learn how we will determine the determinant of a square matrix. First we will determine the determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix. So we have idea about what is a square matrix. Okay, so first let us consider a matrix. A is equals to, we know how we will write A11, A12, A13 and so on up to 1n. Similarly, A21, A22, A23 and here it will be A2n. Okay, so similarly after writing this will be our AN1, AN2, AN3 and ANN. Okay, now here we have to see that this is the associated an expression called the determinant of A. Denoted by dat A, we can write determinant of A as dat A or in that way. In the modulus form earlier we used to write in that way, dat A or determinant A, or dat A can be written as dat A. So how we will write? Either we will write dat A or in this way determinant A is equal to, and all the values we will write here A11, A12, A13 like that, A1n, similarly A2n, A22, A21, A22, A23, A2n. Similarly, we will write A N1, A N2, A N3 and A Nn. Is this okay? In that way, we will write. Now see, we know that from our previous class that a matrix is an arrangement of numbers and so it has no fixed value. Okay, we know that from our previous classes as we have learned that a matrix is an arrangement of numbers and so it has no fixed value while each determinant has a fixed value. This thing we have to remember that a matrix is an arrangement of numbers and so it has no fixed value while each determinant has a fixed value. And a determinant, you have to write a determinant having n rows and n column is known as determinant of order n. What we have to write? A determinant having n rows and n columns. N columns is known as what? Is known as determinant of order n. Is known as determinant of order n. This is known as determinant of order n. Okay, this thing you have to remember, and the determinant of non-square matrix are not defined. This is the property of determinant, that the determinants of non-square matrices are not defined. This thing you have to remember. This is a very important point. This you should know, that the determinants of non-square matrix, the determinants of non-square matrices are not defined. This will not be defined. Okay, after that in the next class we will learn about value of determinant of order 1. Value of determinant of order 1. So if we are writing determinant of value of order 1, it means what? Order 1 means what? This should be of 1 into 1 matrices, 1 into 1 matrices. It will be written in that way and is defined as how? In determinant form, it will be defined as how? This will be dat A or determinant A, and like this. Okay, now see, here. So how we will determine that 1 into 1, so this is in the matrix form and this is in the what? Determinant form. And in the next class we will learn how we will find the value of determinant of order 2. This much for this class and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.